Today, we're diving into the Antec P7-Silent mid-tower, a sleek and sophisticated chassis designed for serious PC enthusiasts. Boasting compatibility with ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, this case offers flexibility for a wide range of builds. Its understated black alloy steel exterior exudes professionalism while housing a wealth of features that cater to both form and function. One of the standout features of the P7-Silent is its emphasis on quiet operation. As the name suggests, this case is engineered for silence, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize a peaceful computing environment. The sound-dampening materials and thoughtful design elements work together to minimize noise without sacrificing airflow, ensuring that your system remains cool and quiet even under heavy loads. In terms of internal layout, the P7-Silent offers ample space for components and cable management. With 7 PCIe slots, support for up to a 390mm GPU, and provisions for both 3.5-inch and 2.5-inch drives, there's plenty of room to accommodate high-performance hardware. Additionally, the inclusion of 2 removable 3.5-inch HDD slides adds convenience for storage expansion and maintenance. Cooling options are plentiful with support for 120mm, 240mm, and 360mm liquid coolers, giving users the freedom to customize their cooling solutions to suit their needs. Whether you prefer air cooling or opt for liquid cooling for maximum performance, the P7-Silent has you covered. On the exterior, the case features a minimalist design with clean lines and a matte black finish, exuding a professional aesthetic that will complement any workspace or gaming setup. The front panel hosts 2 USB 3.0 ports, along with mic audio jacks, power, and reset buttons, providing easy access to essential connectivity options. Overall, the Antec P7-Silent mid-tower impresses with its combination of sleek design, quiet operation, and extensive feature set. Whether you're building a workstation for productivity or a gaming rig for immersive gameplay experiences, this case offers the versatility and performance to meet your demands. If you're in the market for a premium PC case that delivers on both style and substance, the Antec P7-Silent deserves serious consideration. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.